So if you say Meta AI or WhatsApp AI, Meta is the company that runs WhatsApp. So if you say Meta AI, it means that Meta is using AI on all their platforms. They have WhatsApp, they have Facebook, they have Instagram. So they are running their Meta AI on all these platforms. And how can you just activate the WhatsApp AI on your phone? Okay. So with the activation and then also some features with the AI just makes life simple. They just make sure they give you answers to questions that you are looking for, whether in video form or picture form or in any form that you want, whether stickers as well, anything. Okay, they will just give you the answer. And with the pictures and videos, sometimes they will just illustrate that this is AI answer. Okay, so that people will not get confused or not know that this is an AI information. Okay, like the video, subscribe for more because more videos will come right here on this platform. Let's start with it. Let's go. First of all, to get the new feature, you need to update your WhatsApp. So just update your WhatsApp, and then after updating, you will get the new feature. And know that this one is for only WhatsApp Messenger. So if you use business WhatsApp, not yet available for you. Just stay tuned, subscribe. I will update you if in case it becomes available for you as well. So for WhatsApp Messenger, just tap on open after updating your WhatsApp. After updating, now you can see ask Meta AI or search, and then we have another one right here. So we have two Meta signs right here. Okay, so just tap on it. One, and you can see ask Meta AI anything, and this one is Meta AI with Llama 3. Okay, Llama 3. Okay, and then let's try to type in something. Let's just tell me what you want me to type in the comment section. What came into your mind? All right. So you can see ask Meta AI anything, get answers to any questions. Then you see recommendation, you find information, and then you learn new skill. You express yourself, you generate unique images to share with anyone you want, and then personal messages stay private. So everything is here. Privacy is assured. Okay, just tap on continue right here. Now you can start to type anything. So let me just give it a try. Who is Ositek? And let's see the results that it will give to us. If you are subscribed, subscribe because more videos will be coming right here on this platform. Okay, so let's see who is Ositek. I'm not familiar with a specific individual or organization. So sometimes you need to be specific of what you really mean. Okay, so let me just say who is Ositek on YouTube. Then let's send to Meta AI to see the answers. Okay, so Ositek is a YouTuber who focuses on data bundles on MTN. Ositek also has an account on TikTok, really, with the handle Ositek. I do not have any other information about the creator. I suggest checking their YouTube channel and TikTok account for more information. So, really, it has added two links. This is for YouTube and then this is for TikTok. Okay, so you can just check them out, or even you can go on and then search on Google. Okay, so Ositek on YouTube, and then these are the answers. You can just react, okay, yes, so that they will get the feedback that really you were okay with the answer, or you can just dislike to give them the feedback to work on some things really more. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so should I subscribe? Okay, subscribe to OSY. Should I subscribe to Ositech on YouTube? And then let's see. That's a great question. Whether or not you should subscribe to OC Tech on YouTube depends on your interest and needs. If you're interested in tech related content, particularly data bundles on MTN, and find their videos informative and helpful, then subscribing might be good. Here are some reasons you might consider subscribing. So you stay up to date, you get helpful tips, and you support a creator who produces content that resonates with you. Okay, so ultimately your decision to subscribe depends on your personal preference. Okay, so yeah, you need to subscribe because more videos will become right here on this platform. So I'll just keep updating you if in case there is anything for stickers. Okay, okay. So these are just graphics and then all those things that they are giving. They are not really showing my account and all those things. Okay, so let me say emoji. When I search for emoji, you see the kind of emoji that has given me various kind of emoji. This is how the Meta AI works, and this is how you can use it. So sometimes you see it here after chatting with it, or always it is here waiting for you to ask something. And when you just tap here, okay, and then let's say you are searching for Tech in my contact, okay, yes, okay, you can see Tech is here, and you can see ask Meta AI PSY Tech. So Meta AI knows more about PSY Tech. That's why it has given you a suggestion. If not, you can continue to proceed right from here. Okay, you can just send to um AI, Meta AI, by just tapping here. It will then send straight right here, and then to just give you answers. Okay, so everything that you need to know, any question that you have, no need for you to be going to Google straight and then be typing all those things. You can just come here, you just type right here to give you answers, and you can even ask it to summarize. Okay, so let me just give it a try right here for you to see. Let me say summarize. Send to. Okay, so what's like I said, now you can see instead of this, there's plenty thing. Now it has summarized and then giving you just this. You can just summarize things as well, and then you can just get short notes. You can tell the AI to edit it, and then to just do it as you just say. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's it. So let me just search for the tallest building in Ghana, and then let's see what it will show us as well. The tallest building in Ghana. Okay, so it has given us everything, including pictures. Okay, and you can also continue with it to also know more about it. All right, so thanks for your time. Thanks for sticking to stay as well. I'll see you in the next video. Stay alive and bye for now. This is all about the Meta AI. Check in the comment section description of the video for more videos as well. Stay alive and bye for now.